Biruin mo yun na sementeryo, oh. Nasa bundok. Ano pa? May kipaglibing din ako, may escalator dyan. Pero kung akit na ganyan, na mano-mano, yung... Nako, hindi ba kung yan lang yung dadaanan o no? Yan lang, nako, wag na. Pero yan. Dito ang fresh air talaga.
Two hours later.
Lalaro sila, oh. Lalaro sila. Ay, kumakain na gano'n sila. Nanguhuli sila ng pagkain nila.
Satan thought he had me in his grip, and in the dark his dirty plans were all laid out for him to rule my heart. So Jesus came walking by on that road.
Nanguhuli sila ng pagkain.
He said, "Sorry, Satan, this one's mine." That's when I took his name. And there's no doubt about it, I'm a child of
Sila ng pagkain nila.
You see, I've been born again into a royal family. I used to be a pauper. I didn't have a thing till my Jesus came and found me, and he gave me a song to sing. Hallelujah, I am a child of the King. Now there may come a time when that old devil comes around, and with his tricks and dirty lies,
Naimakmak
he'll try to
ulit.
bring me
Mga
down.
anak, maliit pa lang.
I'll just ask one question: Do you
Pinagkami
recall
siguro
the
nila.
day when my
Siguro
Jesus
pinagkadami ko.
heard me calling,
Mga
and he
liit.
washed my sins away?
Mga anak pa lang, maliit.
And there's no doubt
Nakasanggamakmak.
about it, I'm a child.
Pinagkadami nga siguro ito pinagkasal.
You see, I've been
Puro
born
lidig siya, oh.
into a
Puro
royal
lidig talaga yung may
family.
ganyan, oh.
I used to be a pauper. I didn't have a thing till my Jesus came and found me, and he
Damakmak meron din
gave
sa
me a
isda.
song to sing. Hallelujah, I am a child. There's no doubt about it. I'm a child of the King. See, I've been born again into a royal family. I used to be a pauper. I didn't have a thing till my Jesus came and found me, and he gave me a song to sing. Hallelujah,
Ay, sana
I am a
all.
child of the King.
Ang ganoon.
Of the King.
Nilakad namin ganoon sa plantation ng Letos.
I am a child.
Yan, ang mga ano dyan. Mga bahay sa gitna. Yan, mga bahay sa gitna. Doon. Nilakad namin doon. Maganda siya. Pag umulan at nandiyan ka sa gitna, may mga ano, may mga waiting shade. Mga masilungan. Yan. Ang luang. Maluwang na ano, farm. Ilang hektarya.